smoke. You know what you just said? You smell mine wrong, right?
Yeah.
I don't even fucking smoke. So
Okay.
what? But you come with that. That's lip gloss.
Okay.
Chill, bro.
Yeah.
Man.
I'm doing this.
Don't you your hands up. Putting his knees on him and everything.
When corrupt cops realize they've been caught in the act, how does a routine traffic stop turn into a legal nightmare? Officer Oliver's actions will leave you questioning the system. On May 7th, 2023, Officer Oliver of the Tallahassee Police Department, TPD, pulled over Calvin Riley, claiming his headlights were off and he was speeding. What started as a routine traffic stop quickly spiraled into a legal nightmare for Riley.
All the stop's gonna be Laura Lee. Hello, sir. I'm Officer Oliver with Tallahassee Police Department. Do you have your driver's license, registration, insurance? It's on, and you're going really fast down Monroe Street.
Headlight? My headlights automatically on when I'm driving.
They're not on right now.
I'm coming from 429 West Brevard Street. One of them is my brother.
Okay, can you get that for me?
I can't find him right now.
Where's your wallet at?
I don't really care.
Okay. How do you pay for things? On your phone? Okay, I gotcha.
Yes.
What's your date of birth, sir?
April 3rd, 1968.
Okay, April 3rd, 1968. Okay. Okay. Sit tight for me, okay? You said April 3rd of 1968?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Give me 1 second.
Officer Margaret Mueth arrived at the scene where Oliver asked her to contact Riley, supposedly to verify his address, but really to see if she suspected he was under the influence.
So, I feel like I'm getting some indications, but I'm not 100. And he's like looking up here and pulling out papers and like looking around and everything. He says he doesn't care. And when I went to pull him over, he like started to get over and then came back over and then like is kind of like hovering and then stopped. So, yeah. So, I'm gonna ask him. That's why he doesn't have a driver's license, because he knows it's suspended. It's on Brevard Street. Yeah. Thanks. And just let me know over the radio.
Officer Mueth claimed Riley showed signs of impairment: bloodshot, watery eyes, slurred speech, and the smell of alcohol.
So he did say he had beers at pockets? Yeah. Do you get any other indications?
Do you want me to do a signal one investigation?
Can I watch you? Yeah. Okay. I promise.
Officers Mueth and Oliver discussed the encounter inside Oliver's patrol car before approaching Riley again. They planned to ask him to voluntarily take a field sobriety test, and if he refused, they would use their discretion to arrest him.
Yeah, we can wait on that.
Let me just go that route.
You're good. Suspension. Well, we still have to find him. There's another way to go. Calvin.
Okay. Calvin, the beers that you said you had. Yeah. Would you be willing to do some voluntary field sobriety exercises? Go for us.
So should I call somebody to come pick my car up?
Yeah, we'll get to that. Just give me a second, okay?
No, I didn't.
That's why you didn't have your ID on you.
First of all, my ID is at my...
Don't reach in your pockets for me.
Okay, I'm not. Well,
What are you trying to do?
No, I'm trying to do nothing. I'm gonna ask you a simple question.
What's up?
I need to get my phone.
Yeah, in just a second we can. Yes. So come back to my car for me.
I understand what you're asking me, but I'm asking.
Yes, we're gonna get it.
Can you get it right now?
No.
Are you standing right here?
No.
Okay, I will grab it once we get you to the car, okay? Your phone for you.
Don't worry about that. Just told you go. Told you go.
No, just leave it just like that.
No.
No, come on, Mr. Riley, let's go.
Officer Oliver then claimed to smell marijuana inside Riley's vehicle, a statement Riley vehemently denied. Riley stated he did not smoke marijuana and accused the officers of using this as an excuse to search his car unlawfully.
I don't smoke nothing. Okay. So you trying that bullshit? That's my money right there for my job. You know what I'm saying? So what you're saying is you smell marijuana. You're alive. So I want to show you something.
Go ahead and
Since you smell marijuana,
yeah, go ahead and sit down.
what's your name?
Officer Oliver, go ahead and sit down for me.
Calvin, sit down for us.
I will. But you know, I was speeding.
Yes.
I got a track on my shit.
Okay.
And you smell marijuana.
Is there enough, like, before that? Napkin. Alright, well. There's nothing that we can do for the signal 1 portion of it, because he refused. This first, and then...
A search of Riley's vehicle led to the discovery of a bottle of vodka hidden in a pouch in his seat. The officers used this as evidence to justify further actions against Riley, despite no field sobriety test confirming impairment.
Strong. This is cologne right here, though. It was like sprayed it like right before. It's got like a gold chain. Nothing in there. It smells like alcohol. Yep. I think we're good on this. In this pouch in his seat. Yeah. Do you need me? Do you...
Feeling targeted, Riley became increasingly frustrated, calling the officers liars and accusing them of fabricating evidence to justify their actions.
Hey, just listen to her, okay? Listen to her.
Smoke. I only want to smoke. Marijuana, you're alive.
Calvin.
You're alive. You don't even be no police officer, you're alive.
Because we're not
You use that
acknowledging
for
the...
you ain't got nothing. You don't smoke.
Calvin.
Weed, I don't do no drugs.
Calvin.
You're alive.
Calvin.
I'll call your lady?
That's right.
Okay.
Because you're alive. You're alive. You say you smell marijuana, you're alive.
Calvin. I'm now requesting
you
that
said-
you submit to a lawful test of your breath for the very
I ain't doing nothing till I talk to
I
a
have
lawyer.
to read this.
I ain't doing nothing till I talk to a lawyer.
to
Don't touch me.
Stay in
You
the car.
assaulted me.
Okay.
I'm in the car. I'm in the car. You got me.
We'll have to let him use his. Well, not let him use his phone. We
I
can.
told you where I was coming from. I told you I was going.
Do you want to call your lady?
You're a liar. I can't call nobody my
I can
handcuff.
put it in for you.
I can't call nobody my handcuff.
I can put it in for you.
You need to be on wearing that badge.
Did
You're
you
a
hear
liar. You say you smell
Did you hear
marijuana.
me?
You're a liar.
Are you listening?
And I'm gonna prove that.
I'm gonna tow your
And
vehicle.
Sergeant Brian Smith of the Tallahassee Police Department arrived to assist in transferring Riley to Officer Mewith's vehicle. This shift made Mewith, not Oliver, responsible for the arrest report, allowing Oliver to avoid signing a document she knew was false.
You know what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
You ran my name. You know my record. It's all good, but it's
Well, you know you'll be afforded the opportunity.
It's okay. It's okay.
Listen to me. You'll be afforded the
You got
opportunity.
my phone, man, still?
I got
You'll be
your phone.
afforded.
Worrying about no brush down because I went through 3 things since you got him.
What you got? Ready? Yes, sir.
If you can use my phone,
Yeah, you need to call somebody?
yeah.
Okay. Yeah. You cooperate with us, we're gonna work with you, okay?
No problem.
What do you need to call? Take the phone call here, okay?
No problem. Got you. I appreciate you cooperating with your colleague.
See, that was me earlier. Yeah, just sit down. I'll be fine. She does.
Riley was charged with driving with a suspended license and suspicion of DUI.
Also, hey, don't forget to add the Brevard address, and you confirm that he did have that he still lives there. Of course. Well, yeah, that's how it usually is. So the address here, Brevard Street.
Yeah.
And then driver history, the notice was provided on the 7th,
Okay, go
which
back
means to that address.
Okay.
And put it in there. History, I honestly don't really know.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you, lady.
so
Ain't no so nothing. I'm through talking.
okay,
I'm
no,
through
so,
talking. No, I'm through.
okay,
I am through talking.
I have to read this
No,
to you.
you can't
I'm
read
now
none of
requesting
me.
that you
I
submit
don't
a
want to
lawful
say
test of
nothing.
your
I
breath.
don't scenarios that y'all went through since y'all started me. I don't want to talk to you about
Okay,
nothing.
because you haven't
Nothing.
said yes.
I want to talk to my lawyer. I want to talk to you. Are you
refusal
recording
to
this?
Yes,
Are
sir.
you recording this?
If you
Well, I don't want
refuse
to talk to you
take
about
the
nothing.
test,
I don't want
request
to.
that
I don't want to talk to
your
you
driving
about nothing.
privilege will be suspended for a period
I don't
of
want to talk
1
to
year.
you. I'm telling you this.
Under
I don't want to
section
talk to you about
327,
nothing because what you
45,
said to me,
215 for
miss,
refusing to
that you
submit to
start
a
me
lawful test of
because
your
you're
breath,
liars.
or if you have
I don't want to talk to
previously
neither
filed
one of
under
y'all. I
section
don't care about none of that.
225.215
You can say whatever you
for
want to say.
refusing to submit to
I don't
a
lie to what you're
refusal
saying.
to submit
And
to the
you
test
miss
I've requested
a
is
liar.
admissible in
Because
the
I don't
evidence of
smoke,
any
I don't do
criminal
no
proceeding.
drugs. And what you said, I'm going to raise a Tallahassee, Florida. You know, no, don't close the door
Watch
yet.
your head.
No,
Watch
because
your
you
head.
want to close the door now.
Watch your head.
I'm born to read.
The public defender representing Riley cross-examined Officer Oliver, who stated, "I don't remember," at least 16 times.
Staying on the passenger side while you search on the driver's side.
No, I don't remember that.
You told Officer Muth that the bottle was open? Do you not remember?
I don't remember the exact placement.
You told Officer Muth that the bottle was open?
I don't remember my exact.
Discussing indicators impairment that you saw in Mr. Riley.
I don't remember discussing that, no.
Did Officer Muth or certified that the protocol is to dump out open containers?
Despite ongoing complexities in the case, the court still found Riley guilty and sentenced him to 9 days in prison. Riley now has a GoFundMe set up where you can contribute to help him recover from the financial hardships he's faced as a result of this ordeal. We'll include the link in the description.
Has something that smells like alcohol, and then something that they were actively drinking and driving. The bottle of liquor found indicates that once they were done finishing.
Tallahassee's police officer Kirsten Oliver. Portions of an edited body cam video shows Oliver pouring a liquid out of a sealed vodka bottle from Riley, prompting questions about officer misconduct.
Did this bottle open or not come into your decision to arrest the defendant?
Charge.
I did not see where she got the bottle from. But you
DUI arrest was made because of other indicators.
Can you tell the jury why you believed you had probable cause to arrest him for DUI at that point? And then my own personal observations with the thick, slurred speech, watery, bloodshot eyes. He had said,
Question Officer Muth's testimony, asking her if she's sure Riley was under arrest for a DUI before or after the
vodka bottle as evidence. Correct.
The defense then brought up Muth's prior deposition.
Question. And in that report, you mentioned that because it was evidence. Answer, yes. That's inconsistent with your testimony today. Based on the totality of the circumstances, Officer Oliver had observed poor driving, said he was leaving the bar, and said that he had consumed a couple of 2 beers there.
Ultimately, a jury
to jail time. Riley will also be facing probation, court fees, and he'll also have to take some classes related to the DUI. He released that full unedited body camera footage. In a statement last week, they said they would release it after the trial, and they also
I'm Officer Oliver with Tallahassee Police Department.
She'll plant evidence of an empty liquor bottle in Riley's car before arresting him for an alleged DUI. Riley's
sobriety exercises. Okay. Here, go ahead and step out of the vehicle for us.
They didn't.
The car for us. Your license is.
After detaining Riley, they ask him if he smoked any marijuana. Once he's arrested for driving with a suspended license, they can search his car. Officer Oliver leaves the car, does a 360. That was the sound of the seal on the liquor bottle breaking. Bottle into the passenger seat. They don't find any marijuana in the car. Here's Officer Oliver.
There's an opening, and he had it, like, tucked. Okay. And then the whatever you have.
They found open alcohol in the car, in both a bottle and a cup.
Well, okay, so just in the center console, he had a mix the drink, and then under his knee, he had a like little bottle.
Any evidence of that?
Marijuana?
Yeah.
Yielded a small bottle of vodka that was opened in a pocket in the driver's seat cover. Riley's case begins on Friday, April 5th in the Leon County Courthouse in Tallahassee.
Another arrest, another lawsuit. This time, 2 Detroit officers face serious allegations of excessive force and wrongful detention. On January 31st, 2017, 2 Detroit police officers subdued and arrested a man they believed had threatened them and failed to comply with orders at a gas station.
Bro, don't say nothing, bro. Don't say nothing, bro.
Back up, man.
Don't say nothing, bro. You just put your hands on me, bro, so it's cool for you to put your hands on me?
I put my hands on you.
You didn't? Man, watch out, bro. Watch out, man. Watch out. How far you want me to back up, bro? The f you doing?
Y'all touch me. Bro, how much y'all say? Knock me out then. Knock me out.
Mike, chill, bro.
How much y'all cigarette?
Chill, bro.
705.
Cause these niggas, you jumped out of your vehicle all the way over there. I'm posted. Y'all niggas some hoes, man. Shit.
Put your hands on me again.
I'm gonna need you to back up, all right? Just back up. You pushing. Putting his knees on him and everything. Come in. Niggas hoes, bro.
Better keep your ass down.
You recording this shit, bro?
All this shit is recording, big.
Listen, I'm not doing shit, bro. Mike, chill, bro. Just chill, Mike.
The pair has been named in 2 separate federal lawsuits filed in federal court this month. Both involve excessive use of force and unlawful arrest. The most recent lawsuit, naming Billingsley and Patterson, was filed Wednesday by DeMarco Kraft, the man who recorded the video of the May 31st gas station arrest, and McKaylee Jackson, the man whom police took to the ground twice, injured and arrested.
or having weed on you, do you think somebody's going to try to cut you a break? If I go to goddamn jerking everybody out of that damn Jeep and I find 1 ounce of damn weed, do you think I'm going to take everybody to jail?
Yes, sir. No, sir. Just me.
No, hell, I'm going to take every one of your damn friends to jail.
Yes, sir.
Welcome to Cops Quiz, your go-to channel for uncovering the truth behind law enforcement. In today's eye-opening episode, we're diving into a shocking case where corrupt cops were swiftly fired after a challenging altercation. If you're passionate about justice and eager to stay informed, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our community. Don't miss out on the real stories that matter. On November 23, 2016, Officer James Sanders of the Social Circle Police Department in Georgia encountered a distressing situation while concluding a routine traffic stop. Amidst his duties, an unforeseen interruption transpired as a bystander, gripped by animosity, unleashed a barrage of verbal abuse upon Officer Sanders.
Is everybody all right?
Yes, sir.
What's going on? Who yelled out the window? Mr. Bird.
Yes, sir.
I'm going to ask you one time. How long you had your license?
Over 6 months.
Over 6 months. So everybody, you're good to haul everybody around there. What'd you have to say?
Nothing.
No. Tell me one more time you're going to jail, son. What's your name?
Brandon.
Brandon Hughes.
Yes,
I know who you are.
Yes, sir.
2005 Pontiac 5.
F the police. Why? You can get back. Why do you want to F the police, son?
I don't.
Why do you say it then? You think it's going to make you a badass or something in front of everybody?
No, sir, I don't. No, sir, just me.
No, hell, I'm going to take every one of your damn friends to jail.
Yes, sir. 17.
I didn't know y'all could be so goddamn stupid anymore. Everybody get out of the Jeep.
Yes, sir.
You want to see how big of a damn asshole police is going to be? I'm fixing to show you. Bird, you can get back in the damn Jeep, son. You ain't done nothing wrong. Y'all two pile back in there. Y'all ain't done nothing wrong. Ain't no sense in y'all paying for this stupid ass's damn. Let me tell you something. You'd be so damn. You'd be on your little skinny ass. I'm telling you. You ever seen Charles Barkley play?
You know, we have to put up with a lot of shit as it is.
Yes, sir.
I mean, there's cops getting stopped, getting killed on traffic stops and stuff like that, and then you ride by and you holler that.
When I was raised better. Just being dumb.
Yeah, I'm gonna be honest with you. I don't know that you. I don't know.
You got to look at it. You know what I'm saying? That it all goes around.
Yes, sir.
I mean, why do you really feel like that? Because you really feel like that.
Have you ever had a bad run-in with the police or anything?
Yeah, bud. Yeah, man. Go ahead.
Done anything to you?
Yes, sir.
I mean, I'm not saying not all cops are good, because you do got some bad cops out there, but I don't consider myself one of them.
In response to the incident, Officer Sanders swiftly transitioned into pursuit mode, determined to apprehend the individual who had shown disrespect. Upon incarcerating Mr. Hughes, Officer Sanders issued a stern warning regarding potential repercussions for further misconduct. He drew upon legal precedents, notably citing the protection of profanity under the First Amendment as established in the landmark case Cohen v. California 1971. This decision underscored the subjective nature of vulgarity and emphasized the importance of safeguarding speech critical of governmental entities. However, Officer Sanders also highlighted the limits to free speech, referencing the concept of fighting words established in Chaplinsky v. New Hampshire 1942.
That's why I got pulled over?
Yeah, I'll be glad to tell you in just 1 second.
Over 6 months.
Over 6 months. So everybody, you're good to haul everybody around in there, okay?
Yes, sir.
I'm going to ask you one time.
Yes, sir.
All right? And if you don't, we're going to go another route with it. Who yelled out of your Jeep when you went by us?
It was Brandon.
Who?
Brandon.
Which one's Brandon?
In the front seat.
F the police.
Yes, sir, I'm sorry.
You're sorry. Get your hands out of your pockets.
Yes, sir.
Why you want to say that to the police? Huh?
I'm not tough.
You seemed like a little baby the day you was in court, remember?
Yes, sir.
I'm giving you every opportunity.
No, sir.
Now let me ask you this. What have I ever done to you?
Nothing at all.
Not a damn thing. What has my partner ever done to you? You want to see how big of a damn asshole police is going to be? I'm fixing to show you. It's funny, ain't it? Did y'all laugh? Huh? Did you laugh? Did you laugh? You think it's funny?
In light of recent legal precedents, particularly the 1987 case Houston v. Hill, the First Amendment's safeguarding of citizens' rights to criticize governmental bodies, including law enforcement, remains robust. This principle extends to verbal expressions of dissent during police encounters, as long as they do not pose an imminent threat. In the case of Mr. Hughes, whose expression lacked personal attacks or threats, his interaction with law enforcement would likely not be justifiable in a court of law based solely on his choice of words. Officer Sanders's confrontational approach toward Mr. Hughes raises concerns of potential escalation. Employing aggressive language and behavior, Sanders seems to be intentionally provoking Hughes into a physical altercation. This scenario delves into legal nuances, particularly surrounding the fighting words doctrine established by a 1969 Supreme Court case. This doctrine clarifies that while the First Amendment protects freedom of speech, it doesn't shield speech constituting a true threat. However, the precise delineation of such threats remains contentious.
Yeah, radio, show me 1038. Charlie Echo Yankee 6704, CEY 6704. Be North Cherokee at Checkers. This smart ass right here. Bird, you can get back in the damn Jeep, son. You ain't done nothing wrong. Y'all two pile back in there. Y'all ain't done nothing wrong. Ain't no sense in y'all paying for this stupid ass's damn. That's that knucklehead off of Elm Street right there.
Yeah, that don't remember y'all.
Dude, let me tell you something. I got two damn torn up ligaments. I will smoke both of y'all. Y'all can play 2-on-1. Let me tell you something. You'd be so damn. You'd be on your little skinny ass. I'm telling you. You ever seen Charles Barkley play? What's your stepdaddy's name? Brian Massey's stepson.
What?
Yeah. Fuck the police.
What have we done to you?
Hey, dude. I'm gonna be honest with you. Technically, I can't search your damn Jeep, and I can't touch y'all, and I don't want to. I'm not an asshole like that. If you hang around dickheads like this, somebody's gonna mess with you. Okay? I suggest y'all going somewhere. Y'all jet. Where y'all going to eat? Make his ass walk.
You know, we have to put up with a lot of shit as it is.
Yes, sir.
I mean, there's cops getting killed on traffic stops and stuff like that, and then you ride by and you holler that.
Disrespectful. Just being dumb.
Yeah, I'm gonna be honest with you. I don't know that you. I don't know.
I mean, what you did is not breaking the law. You didn't break the law. It's freedom of speech.
Yes, sir.
But still, I mean, just to blatantly just holler out while we're trying to do our job.
Yes, sir.
What if that was a DUI person? I just stopped on the side of the road and got them off the street, keep from hitting somebody in your family and killing them.
Yes, sir.
You got to look at it. You know what I'm saying? That it all goes around.
Yes, sir.
I mean, why do you really feel like that? Because you really feel like that.
I mean,
because you obviously have some pent-up frustrations. And I'm going to tell you right now, neither one of us done anything to you.
yes, sir, I know.
Because deep down, you have to feel it. Because that you know what? I've done some crazy stuff in my life. Not once have I ever said that.
I guess all the pictures everybody thinks about y'all.
And you buy into that crap?
Paint your own picture, dude. I mean, we ain't never done anything to you.
Yes, sir.
I mean, I'm not saying not all cops are good, because you do got some bad cops out there, but I don't consider myself one of them.
Yes, sir.
In a significant legal precedent set in 1989, the protection of free speech in the controversial act of flag burning was explored. The verdict asserted that expressions of discontent, unless explicitly inciting physical harm, are constitutionally protected. This ruling underscores the critical role of context actions like flag burning, while provocative, do not inherently advocate violence. However, it highlights that expressions inciting physical confrontation may indeed be subject to legal repercussions. For instance, under Georgia's Criminal Code Section 161139, disorderly conduct is deemed a violation when violent behavior induces reasonable fear for another's safety, The situation escalated when Officer Sanders, possibly in violation of his duty, instigated physical confrontation by inviting Mr. Hughes to engage in combat, raising doubts about the officer's conduct. Furthermore, Sanders, leveraging his authority, threatened unwarranted searches and detentions based on loose verbal statements. Employing the plain view tactic during pat-downs, he bypassed the need for warrants, exploiting a legal loophole. This practice, once widely accepted, underwent judicial scrutiny following the Coolidge v.S. New Hampshire case in 1971, emphasizing the need for accidental discoveries. Subsequently, the Horton v.S. A California case in 1990 established a stringent three-step criterion for a lawful plain view search.
How you doing, officer? How's it going? License and insurance. Is everybody all right? What's going on? Who yelled out the window? Mr. Bird.
Yes, sir.
I'm going to ask you one time. How long you had your license?
Over 6 months.
Over 6 months. So everybody, you're good to haul everybody around in there, okay?
Yes, sir.
I'm going to ask you one time.
Yes, sir.
All right? If you don't, we're going to go another route with it. Who yelled out of your Jeep when you went by us?
It was Brandon.
Who?
Brandon.
Which one's Brandon?
In the front seat.
Got the Jeep.
Yes, sir.
What'd you have to say?
Nothing.
F the police.
Yes, sir, I'm sorry.
You're sorry. Get your hands out of your pockets.
All valid, 2 times negative. 2005 Pontiac 5.
F the police.
Brandy
Why?
Lansford.
You can get back. Why do you want to F the police, son?
I don't.
Why not? You're a tough guy. Come on.
I'm not tough.
Huh?
I'm not tough.
I'm giving you every opportunity.
No, sir.
Then why you want to yell about it when you're in front of your buddies right there? Is it cool?
No, sir.
Not a damn thing.
Yes,
What has my partner ever done to you?
Not a thing.
Not a damn thing, right?
Yes, sir.
So let me ask you something. Next time you get caught selling weed or having weed on you, do you think somebody's going to try to cut you a break? If I go to goddamn jerking everybody out of that damn Jeep and I find 1 ounce of damn weed, do you think I'm going to take everybody to jail? Huh? Did you laugh? Did you laugh? You think it's funny? Charlie Echo Yankee 6704, CEY 6704. Bird, you can get back in the damn Jeep, son. You ain't done nothing wrong. Y'all two pile back in there. Y'all ain't done nothing wrong. Ain't no sense in y'all paying for this stupid ass's damn. Why, dude? You know who this is? Okay, but I'm gonna tell you something. If you hang around dickheads like this, somebody's gonna mess with you.
You know, we have to put up with a lot of shit as it is.
Yes, sir.
I mean, there's cops getting killed on traffic stops, and yes, sir, it is. And we out here to save your butt.
Yes, sir. I
Hey, let me hang on one second, Bird. Hey, let me ask you this. I mean, I would be okay if you just trying to be a badass in front of your boys, because that you know what, I've done some crazy stuff in my life. Not once have I ever said that.
I mean, I'm not saying not all cops are good, because you do got some bad cops out there, but I don't consider myself one of them.
Get out of here. I'm tired of dealing with you.
Despite clear guidelines, Officer Sanders' initial behavior indicates potential deviation from protocol. Upon realizing he lacked legal grounds to search a vehicle, Officer Sanders released Mr. Hughes. However, an anonymous report to Police Chief Tyrone Oliver led to an investigation, uncovering a pattern of misconduct in Officer Sanders' record. Chief Oliver, upon reviewing body camera footage, placed Officer Sanders on leave and subsequently terminated his employment. Despite an appeal to the City Council, City Manager Adele Schirmer upheld the decision. This case highlights not only Officer Sanders' disregard for civil liberties, but also underscores the importance of upholding constitutional rights and due process within law enforcement practices. Chief Oliver stated that while police must have a thick skin, they shouldn't scare people away from voicing their thoughts. Chief Oliver's and social circles leadership's forceful steps set a good precedent, inspiring other cities to forbid such activity in their police departments. On January 14, 2021, a resident of Harnett County reported her dirt bike stolen to the Fuquay Arena Police Department. 16 days later, she identified Malcolm Ziegler through Facebook as a possible possessor of her stolen bike. Taking proactive steps, accompanied by her boyfriend, they arranged a meeting with the seller, verified the bike's identity, and promptly informed law enforcement. This led to 2 officers being dispatched to Ziegler's residence to investigate potential felony possession of stolen property. Upon arrival, the first responding officer arrested Mr. Ziegler immediately, raising concerns about the legality of the arrest. The Supreme Court emphasizes the necessity of specific justifications for any arrest, with the Fourth Amendment protecting individuals from arbitrary arrests. Precedents such as Atwater v. Lago Vista and County of Riverside v. McLaughlin have established that the presence of reasonable suspicion is pivotal, regardless of the severity of the alleged offense.
Okay, what's your name? Malcolm? Yes. What's your last name? Malcolm Ziegler?
Yeah.
Okay, you got your ID on you? Okay. Okay.
I haven't read it all today. He literally just came by here.
Do me a favor, man. Go ahead and put your hands behind your back for me, okay?
I did.
You're in possession of a stolen motor vehicle.
What?
Do me a favor, man. Just come to my car right over here, okay?
What the?
So here's what's going on, okay? So that vehicle's been entered as stolen.
What?
Okay.
Which one?
It's been reported stolen. It's been entered as stolen. So right now you are in possession of a stolen motor vehicle. Okay. So here's what's going to go ahead and happen. Just hang tight for me. Matter of fact, do me a favor, sir. Go ahead and step right here.
So I have to go to the police station?
Yeah. Just hang tight. Hang tight.
All right. And then there's keys in this.
Yes, sir. Go and look at me real quick. Open your mouth up, sir. Tongue up and down. All right, appreciate it. And then I want you to do that one more time for me.
Okay. Y'all not gonna, they not gonna...
We're about to take care of that, sir.
Okay. All right.
We're gonna take care of that.
All right, good. Okay.
Appreciate it. All right, and let me check you real quick right here. I can get the exact date for it. I'll get that for you in a second, okay, sir? All right. So what I'm gonna have you do, I'm just gonna have you take a seat right here. Okay, I'm gonna open the back of the. I want to get you seated. That way you're not standing around out here, okay, on the street. I know you're a little tall, so it might be a little. You okay?
Mr. Ziegler's arrest prompts scrutiny of law enforcement procedures and legal rights. The officer's decision to detain him without clear justification may constitute an unlawful arrest under U.S. criminal law. Subsequently, Mr. Ziegler's revelation of his underage status necessitates communication with his father to establish necessary documentation. The officer's use of radio code CASA code 1095 indicates a potential formal arrest situation. In this unfolding situation, Mr. Ziegler faces allegations of possessing stolen property, a serious matter under North Carolina law section 14-72. To understand the charge's severity, the legal framework established by the 1953 Supreme Court case State v. Brady is crucial, defining elements required for conviction, including knowing possession of stolen goods.
Handcuff. All right, step out. I'll fix him for you. Great. What's going on with him?
The right one, it's like real.
Oh, I got you. Okay. All right, just hang tight for me. There we go. And sir, let me just do this real quick. That way I don't. Go ahead and take a seat.
It's still like, it's
Is that?
It's hurting.
Go and do me a favor, just step out and face away from me that way. That way I can make sure that. There you go.
Cool. I don't.
Okay. And sir,
I can try to find this bill of sale. I have
sir,
a lot of
and I'm not saying that you stole it.
I can tell you. I can show you if you can go. You can go on my phone. I can show you exactly what I bought.
Okay.
It from.
Okay. Do you have the bill of sale by any chance, sir?
I don't know where it is. It's either in my room or in the. If it's not in there, look in the garage, like over by. You know where the stuff with the air compressor is.
Right now, what I'm trying to get taken care of,
well, I mean, I'm guessing y'all gonna take this. Am I like take the bike? Am I gonna get my money that I spent on the bike?
Well,
back?
Yeah. So if you just go put your legs in for me for a second. All right. You got it? You're almost there.
Sorry. What's that shoe you wear, like a 14? Yeah, you did not.
14.
He's 14.
Yes.
Okay.
So I already explained to him he's detained right now. I told him that.
So why is he detained?
Because that's a stolen motor vehicle.
Okay. You said what?
Just separate your hands. There you go.
I'm just saying drop off forward and hit your head on.
All right, go and take that hand out for me, sir.
Which one?
That one right there. You got it. Now, let me go.
Despite lacking direct evidence of awareness regarding the bike's stolen status, Mr. Ziegler interacts with law enforcement under suspicion. The law allows for arrest based on circumstantial evidence suggesting awareness of an item's illicit origin. To refute these accusations, Mr. Ziegler presents a bill of sale to prove the bike's legitimate acquisition through a bona fide transaction, aiming to dispel any implication of criminal intent. During the encounter, another officer questions the legality of Mr. Ziegler's detention, particularly regarding the treatment of minors. This underscores the varied protocols in handling juvenile cases and the officer's internal debate on the necessity of handcuffing and detaining Mr. Ziegler. Ultimately, the initial officer releases Mr. Ziegler, considering filing a theft report against him. Following his release, concerns about racial bias arise, especially after the release of body camera footage. The mayor's defense of the officer further fuels controversy, leaving uncertainty about potential legal actions. Critics call for enhanced police training to address such issues, while acknowledging the confronting officer's commendable stance in challenging colleagues and considering practical implications.
Do me a favor, man. Go ahead and put your hands behind your back for me, okay?
I did.
You're in possession of a stolen motor vehicle. It's been reported stolen, it's been edited as stolen, so right now you are in possession of a stolen motor vehicle. Okay, so here's what's gonna go ahead and happen. Just hang tight for me. Matter of fact, do me a favor, sir, go ahead and step right here. Go and look at me real quick. Open your mouth up, sir. Tongue up and down. All right, appreciate it. And then I want you to do that one more time for me.
Okay, y'all not gonna, they're not gonna...
We're about to take care of that, sir.
Okay, all right.
We're gonna take care of that.
All right, good.
Appreciate it. All right, and let me check you real quick right here. Go and do me a favor, just step out and face away from me that way. That way I can make sure that... There you go. Do you have the bill of sale by any chance, sir?
I don't know what it is. It's either in my room or in the...
Right now, my man, one step at a time. What I need to do is I need to grab some information from you. So,
okay.
Your spelling of your first name, sir, it's Malcolm, is that correct?
M-A-L.
Okay.
C-O-L-M.
C-O-L-M, gotcha.
Yes.
And how do you spell your last name, sir?
Z-I-G.
Okay.
L-A-R.
And date of birth? With you being a juvenile, the process is a little bit different as well, too. So we're not going to take you to jail or anything like that.
Is there any way you're able to go on my phone so like I can show you like where I met up with the dude at and everything?
So right now they're checking out the bill of sale. After we get all that squared away, we'll work with you, okay?
There's a few different ones. If it's in my room anywhere, it's going to be as soon as you walk, like when you go in my room.
Sir, do you have any copies of anything? I see you got something right there.
These are the ones he just filled out.
Okay.
But we're looking for the one that, where do we go get the bike?
Maybe like we go on a Wednesday or Thursday.
So that's what I'm asking. Where is that one at? Didn't the guy?
Look by the, I'm pretty sure it's only counted by, no, I don't think it'd be on the bin. It'd be something.
No, it's not the most comfortable right now, but we're going to get you out of there soon, okay?
And do you need the dude's phone number that I bought it from? So I can give you his phone number.
Just hold off on that for right now, okay? Yeah. So if you just go put your legs in for me for a second. Almost there.
Sorry, what's that shoe you wear, like a 14?
Yeah,
hey,
is he detained or is he...
He's detained right now because he's
14?
Yes.
Okay.
So I already explained to him he's detained right now. I told him that.
So why is he detained?
Because that's a stolen motor vehicle. I mean, Diggs verified the VIN number, right?
Did you verify it before you...
I detained him and then we verified it.
That's why I asked if he was 1095. Obviously he's a juvenile, right?
Yeah.
You're not charging him with larceny of a...
Nope.
Okay. So, worst you have is what?
Possession of a stolen motor vehicle.
You gonna think you get secure custody and all that?
Probably not.
Or a petition? Me personally, he ain't going nowhere. You're here with what, Dad? Ain't no sense having him sit in the car with handcuffs on. If he was 18, and you might be taking him to jail for possession of stolen property, but you ain't gonna take him to jail, right? It's gonna be a petition.
I'll go ahead and take him out. Question for you. So supposedly, I know they're working on getting the bill of sale right now. That he's been running his mouth. He said that okay. My whole thing is, I know legally he can still be charged.
If he's got a bill of sale, me personally,
yeah.
Grown up racing dirt bikes, buying four-wheelers, I've never once had one run until I was a cop. Besides, you get a bill of sale and you think it's not stolen because you got a bill of sale, and that VIN matches, and Diggs has caught this guy for it. That's what he buys. He buys bikes that has problems. I would pass all the information on to if he's got a bill of sale.
You wouldn't go with the petition? If basically what you're saying is if he has a bill of sale, you wouldn't end up filing the petition. Yeah, of course.
Hey, where all do you think that bill of sale might be? Yeah. Where all do you think that bill of sale might be at?
It's either got to be in the county, possibly in the
Yeah, I know. Your dad came out with quite a few.
Separate your feet as well too. Lean forward so I can get the key, okay?
Yeah.
You said what?
Just separate your hands. There you go. All right, go ahead and take that hand out for me, sir. That one right there. You got it. Now let me go.
That's entirely
I usually put them on the counter in my room.
We can go in there with them.
I can go in there.
Condition one. Yep.
Through it all, Mr. Ziegler's composed response and efforts to prove his innocence highlight the importance of community policing. His determination amidst the turmoil underscores broader societal issues that require careful consideration in law enforcement practices. Hopefully, through this video, you have come to realize the importance of combating police corruption and the role each individual plays in building a fair and transparent society. Remember, change starts with us with small daily actions. Let's together spread the message of justice and transparency and be part of the solution. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to continue accompanying us and collectively creating positive change. Goodbye and see you in the next videos.